It's easy to add and manage your contacts in Xero. There's a couple of ways you can add your contacts. First, you can go through the Contacts tab, select either All, Customers, or Suppliers, and then choose to Add Contact. However, the most likely way you'll be adding a new contact is when you're entering a sales invoice, purchase bill, or a spend or receive money entry from the Bank Reconcile screen. Using an invoice as an example, enter the contact's name and complete the invoice. The minimum information you need to create a contact is simply the name. To complete the profile on your contact, you can then edit the details after you've approved the invoice. Or go straight to the Contacts menu and into the contact from there. Note that a contact in Xero can be both a customer and a supplier. In other words, a separate record does not need to be set up. One contact record holds both types of transactions. Within the contact, complete as many details as you need. If this contact has a discount applied to it, you can set the default here. This can be overridden at invoice time if needed. Also, if this contact invoices in another currency and you're on the large Xero pricing plan, you can set the default here too. And this is where you enter the bank account details for batch payments. And you can select the invoice branding specific to this client and click Save. What if you created a duplicate contact? No problem, we can merge the two contacts and their transaction history together. From the contact page, select Merge. This will archive the selected contact and merge with the other contact. So in our example, Bampi Town Products will be archived and Bampi Products will remain with both contacts' transactions history. What if you've already got all your contact details stored in another system somewhere? That's okay, we can import them into Xero. From your old system, you will need to export the contacts into a CSV file. From Contacts, select Import. The first step is to download and save the template file. The template has all the fields you might possibly use for your Xero contacts. Now copy the contact details into the template. Make sure the contact data you copy over matches the column headings in the template, and it's really important to keep the headings as they are, otherwise the import might not work. Once your template is complete, then save it, and head back to Xero, browse to select the file you've just saved, next you'll see here the question, how do you want Xero to handle empty fields when updating existing contacts? The options Ignore Empty Fields will leave any information you may already have in some fields. You would use this option if you're updating all your contacts' bank details only, for instance. The option Empty Fields should delete existing information would be useful if you can't guarantee your existing information is correct, but the information you're importing is just how you want it to be, so you would prefer it to overwrite what you've got in Xero. Next, we import. You see the message which lets you know how many of your contacts will be successfully imported. Once you select Complete Import, it's final and can't be undone. If for some reason you've made an error, you can select Go Back at this stage. If it's all okay, complete import, and you're taken to the All Contacts screen where Xero confirms the import. If you want to export your contacts, great for when you need to do a bulk edit to all your contacts, simply select Export and a CSV file will be created and downloaded for you.